Here's a huge salvage lot of vintage computers and electronics. I actually bought this stuff. I drove up to Chicago to pick this stuff up, and I actually had to make 2 trips in my RAV4 on the way back. I spent $500 on this lot. There's all kinds of stuff in here. The thing that attracted me, of course, were these vintage AT&T and CompuPro CPM machines with the S100 card bus format. There's 3 of those. There's 3 of the AT&T Unix systems with monitors. And then just all kinds of just miscellaneous stuff. I would estimate about 50% of this to be scrap and 50% of it to be sellable on eBay. The first thing I'm probably going to do is figure out what's scrap and what's not, and make some space for myself. If you remember a couple videos back, I was trying to get this area clear so I could start parking my car in the garage. I did clear it out, but as you can see, that never lasts too long around here. That's not a bad thing, of course, but it's all just part of the process. So today's Thursday. It's a little after 12 noon. Thursday afternoon, I have 3 packages to go out. A few sales yesterday, 2 eBay sales and 1 Amazon sale, 2 video games, and this is that Roku 2 streaming media server that I found a couple of videos ago. That sold last night. Total profit on that was like $8, $9, probably closer to $9, and I made a profit of $3 each on these video games. So total profit of $15 yesterday. So yeah, kind of slow day again. Last week was really good. I actually made a profit of over $400 last week. One of those was a big item, vintage television, RCA TV that went for $150. Of course, I took shipping out of that. I do free shipping on all my items. So after shipping and fees, though, still made I think still a little over $100 on that. So that was a good deal. That's going to be delivered today. So I'm a little bit nervous about that one. I've shipped a lot of CRT TVs and monitors before, but this is probably the biggest one that I've shipped. It was only a 13-incher, but the housing was pretty big on it. So went to town on the bubble wrap, double boxed it just like I usually do. I am a little nervous about it, but hopefully it'll get there safe and sound. Today is sunny. It's about 40 now. It's going to get up to about 42 last time I checked. So definitely going to take the bike out today and do some dumpster diving, take the GoPro with me. Hopefully we'll get some good footage. It's been really cold here. I haven't, it's the 3rd day of January now, and I haven't had the bike out since, I think Christmas Day, or maybe the day after Christmas. I took it out too, so it's been over a week since I've ridden, and definitely feeling the effects of the holidays. I've gained a few pounds. I actually didn't gain anything after Christmas. I weighed myself 2 days after Christmas, and I had not gained a pound. But then between then and New Year's, I managed to put on 3 pounds. So definitely need to get out there and burn some calories today. It's been really cold and really gloomy and cloudy, so it's nice to see the sun, and looking forward to getting out there. I don't know what this is for a motorcycle. This might be sellable as is. I don't even know. But, that's aluminum. Jeez. I don't know. What should I do with this? Really see anything wrong with it? I guess I'll just hang on to it for now. Oh yeah, on the way here, I just took a straight shot on the way here. I just wanted to start on the way back, after I got paid on the way back with the empty tote, but I did find this cell phone, LG cell phone on the road. Let it go in my cell phone bucket. I'm about 10 miles exactly from home. 10 or 8 miles, depending on which way I go. But I'm going to be going the long way, because I need to burn some calories. I can't believe it's 2:30 already. It's probably about 43 degrees outside right now. Started by a car. But it's sunny and feels more like 50. Really nice. Nice to get out and ride. Had a really nice ride here on the trail. Start going stir crazy this time of year. And I hate it when it's cloudy. You don't see the sun for like a week or two at a time. It's not good for anyone's mental well-being. There is a thrift store across the street there. It's a new thrift store. They closed another one. They closed one that was by my place and moved out over here. It's actually a much bigger store. I don't really like riding on the sidewalk when I can avoid it, but sometimes it's just totally the safer way to go. I want to fill up on lights, but let's get rid of them later if they're taking up too much space. don't know if those Christmas CDs are worth anything. If they are, they probably won't sell till next year. Sunsets at 4:37 today. And the temperature will be dropping very quickly once that happens. So I need to be home in about 2 hours. It's about a 35-40 minute ride. Straight shot, just non-stop. So I got about an hour to mess around looking for stuff. This is actually the toughest climb on the way home. Probably doesn't look like it. Probably doesn't look like much in the GoPro. And it really isn't that much of an incline. It's just long. Just a long incline. Probably about a half a mile, 3/4 of a mile. Going up 100 feet or so, maybe 200 feet. I think it's about a total of 500-600 feet that I've got to climb from back where we were. I'm one street further over than I should be. There's more dumpsters over there, but I guess we're gonna skip them today. Just a bunch of cardboard and wood. The cord cutters have been here. No, maybe not. Okay, I'm gonna get on this trail, ride about 5-6 miles until we get back to my neck of the woods, and then I'm gonna hit some dumpsters on the way back home.